If you're running a business, you're most likely thinking, if I can just hit my revenue goal, if I can just hit six figures, then we'd be set. I get it. Specifically, when we bought our own semi truck, my husband's a truck driver, and in 2015, we bought our own semi truck, and the sky was the limit. We saw the potential. We saw all that we could accomplish, all that we could make, because he had been a company driver for so long, only to have the transmission go out on the first day on the road. $10,000 plus in repairs right off the bat. And you're on the right track by looking to scale and hit those income goals, but you're missing that vital piece. Your business and the income it produces is the offensive side of the Unstoppable Finances framework. And it's important because we can only manage the money we have right now, right? Like there's only so much you can do there. But if you don't handle cash flow and manage your money now, you're going to spend time or money trying to figure it out later. And time wasted is a fast track to burnout, and money wasted is like revenue that you're not going to see the profit that you should. If you prioritize the Unstoppable Finances framework, then you'll save that time and money by making it a priority now. It's also easier to scale and systematize along the way. So yes, you're playing offense, you're making the money, and you're working on those things. But we also need to play defense, which means managing your expenses, knowing your numbers, and having a strategy. That's not saying we don't invest in our businesses. You absolutely should. But we need to play that defensive side as well, and not just when tax time comes around. The other part is the battlefield. This is your money mindset. This is the economics. And the battlefield part of the Unstoppable Finances framework helps you approach this with the right lens. Having the growth mindset and that success mindset is going to be valuable. It's going to be game changing. So by now, you're probably understanding that this has to be a priority from the beginning to successfully make that profit that you're looking for while avoiding the burnout and the wasted time. But you're probably thinking, my income isn't consistent right now. It is not feasible for me to budget or to do this yet, or I just need to break even first. If that's you, don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to be talking about that in the next video. If you're struggling with shame and guilt around your finances, whether it's debt, impulse spending, mistakes from the past, or the fact that you still haven't hit your income goal, then it's time for you to work with me. There are different levels of support and price points that you can use on the path to removing that guilt and shame so you can step into your unstoppable life. After all, your finances are unique to you, and your support should be too. Go to workwithamy.com to get started with one of my most popular programs, or you can book a Q&A call with me and we'll figure out what that next step should be. And those links are hanging out in the description of this video as well.